problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem.
Hey guys, I'm Margot.
I'm Aurora.
And we just decided to get ready and film ourselves, do our makeup, get ready with us, you know, because we're going to like a concert later. And we just decided to film. And it's always fun doing my makeup with her. Follow our social medias, our Instagram and stuff like that are going to be linked down below. Yeah, just enjoy the video. Keep watching.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give a big thumbs up. So just keep watching. Just keep watching and I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're going to a concert later and we don't even know the music. A Niall Horan concert, and honestly I didn't even know he made music.
I know, all I know is just that like their group just broke up, that's it.
Me too! I know one song was like, hands like, cold hands. That's all I don't even know if it's cold hands or like soft hands. Oh my god. Just priming our face. Are you going for a glam today or just normal?
We'll see. I don't know, depends.
Oh, it's slow hands.
She got it.
That's all I know. I have another palette. Oh, I have more.
This girl.
There we go.
Oh my god. It's Too Faced?
Oh, smell that. Smell it.
Oh, it smells big. I'm kidding. It smells chocolate.
I'm not gonna use foundation because it's too cakey. I'm gonna start off with concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and for the primer we both used YSL Blur primer. Yeah, just conceal all your like imperfections.
I'm doing my eyebrows first. I'm like too lazy to get my eyebrow brush. I have to stand up.
I'm covering my face like, ooh.
Okay, I'm using Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade Caramel for my eyebrows.
Yeah, so I contour my face next after I conceal. I'm using just like a Wet n Wild contour stick. Just contours. Let's talk about love. Oh my gosh, you know who I want to see in concert?
Oh.
Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande.
We were talking about that with my aunt in Madeira.
Is he having a concert?
I don't think so.
I love him. Like I love his music.
Go,
but
but
if Selena Gomez has a concert, bro, you already know I'm going. That girl.
Are you like Gru?
That girl is gorgeous.
She's actually filming a movie.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
What movie?
It's kind of like zombie movie.
Oh, dope.
It's dope. That's why I'm like, can't wait to.
I honestly would love to be in a Netflix movie.
Me too. That's actually one of my goals. Like, be one of the actors on Netflix.
Yeah. Oh my god. If I was ever like in Stranger Things, my life would be complete. I love Stranger Things. I think it's so awesome. It's scary.
You're the one who forced me to watch Stranger Things.
Okay, the next thing I do after I contour, I take like a liquid highlight. This is the Cover FX and the shade Sunlight. So I just take like a little bit.
It's so funny that you were doing a lot of slim eyebrows.
That's always the case.
But I love my eyebrows, so I want them on fleek.
So like on our birthday, because our birthday is like right next to each other. Like I'm October 27th and her birthday is like the 28th of October. So like we're gonna spend it in Vegas. Vegas, baby.
But I'm only turning 18, so sad.
I'm turning 21 soon, so that should be fun. So excited, honestly. I feel like being 21 is like the perfect age because like you can basically do anything you want without the law to limit you. Yes!
You good, bro? I don't know if my eyebrows... Is it me or I really can't see?
Take this off.
Oh.
She had this on the mirror.
Okay, that was
Better.
You told me.
I didn't know it was there. Oh, I move on to my eyes. So today we're using maybe the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm not gonna show, I'm just gonna say the colors that I'm using. So I'm using the color Pooter as a base. So I'll just use Pooter right here. It's a transition shade and just blend it. It just brings depth to your eye. Depth.
What?
Depth. How do you say that? Depth.
Depth.
I said depth. I want to like rent a house with friends so bad. I think that'd be so nice and so dope. And I'm using the Morphe M5 3 brush. You know, when I was like a little bit younger, like maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I was so obsessed with makeup. I was like literally
like my age?
a makeup whore.
3 years ago?
Yeah, like her age, like 17. But now I'm not, I don't buy makeup anymore because like, I don't use half of this stuff in front of me. It's like...
Yeah, you don't. I observed that. Like
It's
when
like
you do
it's
your
just there. It's
makeup.
like I'm a hoarder. I'm a hoarder of makeup. I also like blend it under my eyes. But after I do that, I'm gonna take the color Mocha, and it's like a little bit darker than the transition shade, and just blend it on the outer corners, like more specifically on the crease. Not to bring it up, just on the crease. Are you gonna wear lashes?
I am. Oh, I bought new ones.
Really?
Morphe.
Are they good?
Yeah, they actually look good. By the way, I concealed my eyebrows with NARS. Yeah, with NARS medium to ginger. I really love this
Radiant creamy concealer. She's bougie. It just looks like that. Once you look like you didn't sleep for 3 days, then you're doing it right.
Girl.
Okay, then after we use that color, I guess, use the shade Jax. And just like blend it just a little bit, because this is too red for me, so we're just putting like a little bit. Oh, that was a lot. I said I'm only gonna put a little bit of this color, but then it goes overboard. Oh my gosh, typical Margeaux. So just like that. I think I want to blend that color under my eyes too, just a little bit though, not like heavily, just to show like a little bit more.
Okay, I'm gonna use this on.
You have really nice skin. You know, she doesn't use any product on her face. Like, she doesn't wash, like, she washes her face, but she doesn't use, like, face wash or moisturizer. She just uses, like, makeup remover and water. Which I think is pretty cool, considering that she has, like, flawless skin. She doesn't have acne or anything. And
I was told not to put anything, so that's why.
for, like, the inner, I want it to be kind of, I was looking at the mirror, like... I want it to be kind of shimmery on the inner corner, so, and I want it to match the red too. So I think I'm gonna use the shade Cran Apple. It's like this cranberry shimmery color, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, did you hear the new song with Lil Pump and XXX?
No.
It's probably like the only Lil Pump song I like.
Really? I found Lil Pump cute though, without the tattoos. To be honest, they're actually all cute, but the tattoos on their faces ruins it.
They look like detention desks. Okay, so I was gonna say like Lil Xan and Billie Eilish look so much alike.
They do.
They look alike.
Oh my god. Guys are always a cheater. What? It's true. Once a cheater, always a cheater.
Preach. Like, I'm never gonna cheat on you. I'm never gonna hurt you.
I'm loyal as
Bitch.
fuck. And what happens next?
Next I'm gonna take the color Abyss. It's like the black shade on the palette, and I'm just using this as eyeliner on my lower lash line. Girl, you know, just like you do makeup really, really good. That's real art right there. You're a real artist. Olivia O'Brien is like one of my favorite people on earth. She's like so real, so talented, so gorgeous, and oh, I'm just also using black on like the outer corner of the upper eyelid. Speaking of Olivia O'Brien, here we go, our girl, our bitch. I wonder if I'm good. Okay, so then I'm taking the color Faint. What are your thoughts about drama?
Drama's kind of fun. I want to try like all kinds of acting. But comedy is like kind of...
No, not that kind of drama.
Oh, bitch. I saw drama, so I was like...
Like life drama. Like, what are your thoughts about it?
To be honest, I hate that drama.
I hate it too. Like, it's so much negativity. We're also using the same color to put on our brow bone.
I can't move my leg.
Just cramping?
Yes. No!
No! It hurts! Don't do that! Blush. Today I'm using the Lancome, the shade Plum Charm. We're just using a blush brush. For bronzer, I'm going to use a Hoola bronzer first. Using this one, it's from e.l.f. Small tapered brush. Oh my gosh, I have a huge forehead. Some people might even say 5 heads.
Girl, have you seen my forehead?
You have a small forehead. It's nice.
Big.
No, it's not. She said her forehead is big.
It's big.
No, it's
that's
not.
An airport.
Airport? It's a normal forehead.
It's big.
It's not big.
Is this too much?
Go dramatic. And then we're taking like a small eyeshadow brush. This is a Morphe M330, and we're gonna contour our
Now I
nose
feel like
with
Nicki
it.
Minaj.
Or Ariana Grande. Hello?
Did you buy coffee?
Yes, I did. Why?
Ice cold coffee would be so good right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. I have one. I'm using the Laura Mercier bronzer in the shade Bronze 03 and just bronze up our forehead a little bit more. Next thing we're going to do is highlight. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter duo, and this is the shade Mean Honey and Hustler Baby. I'm going to use the... What are you doing?
I'm like getting pissed at my makeup.
What?
I don't know.
Make this eyeliner a little bit bigger. I'm gonna set my under eyes with this Secret Brightening Powder from Laura Mercier. I use a Morphe G37 brush. So we're gonna continue highlighting. Replace my
Okay, hold up.
What?
I'm gonna fix it outside.
Okay, next thing we're gonna do is for eyebrows. And I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Caramel. I'm using the Morphe M160 brush to do my eyebrows.
Okay, so they're better enough. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using a mascara, Too Faced. Better than Sex. So I'm using the Morphe lashes.
How long does it usually take you to get ready?
2 hours.
2 hours?
No, I'm not kidding. That's why I always ask you what time are we going. Like 2 to 3 hours. That's where I start.
I'm gonna take this Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the shade Medium Brown. I'm taking like a angled bigger brush or whatever to set our eyebrows. Okay, after we set our eyebrows, we're gonna take like a gel brush for eyebrows, like this one. This is a Benefit Gimme Brow. Whew, it's hot as balls. I'm gonna take this Chanel, I don't know, I can't read right now, the M37, and gonna set like the places I put concealer on, like my chin. Yeah,
I do.
Eyelashes make such a difference, to be honest.
It does.
Like it brings the whole look together.
When I was younger, I never thought that like I would know how to put makeup.
Really?
Yeah, because all I think is like I might fail or maybe I'm like worse.
This is a Too Faced melted chocolate in the shade Chocolate Honey. I want to eat it.
What? What do you mean? It actually looks so cute.
It does?
It does. Ooh, I love these lashes.
I think I'm done. So we're gonna vlog when we go to the fair. It's called the OC Fair.
Yeah.
And a lot of people go. Of course, it's a fair. Just like driving around LA is honestly like the best thing ever because there's so much stuff to do and so much stuff to see. I got hit by a car. Like
we
really
were
bad.
crossing by and then she's like walking that way and I was watching her being hit. I'm like, hey!
And the car like drove over the crosswalk, and so I was like passing. I was like walking, and then the car just decided to reverse into me, and it was like really bad. Like it was not even like soft. It was bad, but yeah, it was bad, and the people we were with were really mad.
Yeah, I finally finished. What?
You look really good.
What do you mean? I was only playing with it. I even messed up. What?
She looks really good.
I even messed up, to be honest.
No, she looks really good. Don't listen to her. Subscribe to my channel. Our links and stuff are going to be down below. Give this a big thumbs up. Leave a comment if you feel like it. But follow her on Instagram. She makes bomb ass pictures. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun talking with us and watching us and like getting ready with us. We'll see you on our next video. Hype it up.
Hype it up.
Hype it up. Bye.
If finding somebody real is your fucking problem, bring your girls to the crib.